Hello guys, welcome to feeding.net. So in this particular session we are going to learn how we can import the data in a SQL Server database from an external application such as Microsoft Excel. And for this process we are going to use SQL Server import and export wizard. So without wasting time, let's start the session. So I have this Excel, I have two sheets into it. I named it table 1 and table 2. Both has some dummy data, like it has some fields like id is basically an integer field, then we have the boolean field is active, and then we have some varchar field similar for table 2. Now go to your ssms, connect to your local server, and then right click on your database, click on task and click on import data. Once you do that, a wizard will open. Click next, choose your source. So for us the source is Microsoft Excel. Choose your file path, then you have to provide the version of your Excel. For my case it is 2016. Then you have to specify, okay, first row is the header row, then click on next, then you have to provide the destination. So I am choosing SQL Server native client. Native client is used to, like, it allows us to access and manipulate data stored on a remote SQL server from a client application. So for us client application is Microsoft Excel. Then you have to choose your server, then you have to choose your database. Either you can choose or you can create the new one, then click next. Then here there is one option to write a query. You can manipulate the data before it's going to SQL server. Otherwise you can choose the first option, copy from one or more table. Then once you do that, it basically reads your Excel. Just ignore the second one. So the first one, table $1 and table $2. This is basically the sheet 1, table 1, and this is the sheet 2. So here you can specify a custom table name. So let me use the same, like table 1, I've just removed the dollar sign, and for sheet 2 I am using table 2. So for each sheet I am will be putting the data into a separate table. Here there is one more option to edit the mapping. Okay, so first choose the table 1 mapping. Here what it says, so source, it is the column header name from the Excel, and here this is the table column name. There you can basically, it provide you an custom option where you can rename the column into database. So what I am doing, I am just simply removing the underscore. Okay, and here you can provide the data type for your field, like int I'm providing, id I'm providing int. For is active, let me provide the boolean where it is like tiny int. Okay, so yes, so for is active I have chosen bit. City is fine. Age, again you can take the integer, rest looks fine. Let me do it. Okay, then go to your table 2. You can again make some mapping. Let it be bit, it's integer. Okay, and that's done. You can have the preview of your data, both, see, and then click next. It Then again click next. It is nothing, it is saying how you can deal with the operation. Next, then you can run it immediately, or you can save it as an SSIS package as well, but for us let us run immediately. So I have done it. Let's close this. Let refresh this. Let's see if it is having table 1 and table 2. So here it is, table 1, we have all the data. It has automatically created the table for you and put the data into it, and we have the table 2 data. So what you can do, you can, like, this is the business case where business can provide you data in Excel and in different sheet, and you can insert those data into table and provide a separate table for them. So guys, I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, then please do subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.